Design platforms like Adobe and Figma are great for experts, but not so much for your everyday content creators. They take time to learn, licenses are expensive, and they create silos in your organization. With Desygner, you can transform Figma files into customizable templates that can be easily edited by anyone. To start, simply create your designs as you normally would within Figma. Export to Desygner. And voila, the design is now editable. Your boards are converted to pages and all your design layers are recognized. Images are automatically converted into frames and can be replaced with ease. Meanwhile, fonts from your brand library are recognized automatically. And because Desygner is built on SVG, all elements retain their quality no matter the scale. Templates can be restricted to define what users can and cannot change. And shared with the teams that need them, allowing everyone to create what they need with design and brand integrity. Free up your busy design team, empower everyone to create branded content, and cut down expensive license costs. Desygner. Get started today.